NEO, the burial of Iberian infants, a pioneering study of Ullastret. The Iberian city of Ullastret is one of the most outstanding archaeological compounds from the Iron Age to be found in the Iberian Peninsula, and one of the most important of all Western Mediterranean. For this reason, it is considered of interest in the analysis of multiple aspects related to the knowledge of Iberian societies. Little is still known about the social practices and rituals of Iberian communities. What is known, however, is that they cremated their dead, although this funerary practice did not apply to everyone. Some infants were buried inside the homes. The hypothesis on the origin and meaning of infant burials found in various Iberian sites, based on ethnographic and indirect data, point towards ritual sacrifices or infanticides. However, a new study led by the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, in collaboration with the Museu d'Arqueologia de Catalunya, discards these theories when it comes to the Iberian city of Ullastret. Excavations of the burials found in the Iberian city of Ullastret, recovered from two areas, the Illa d'en Reixac and Puig de Sant Andreu, have been taking place since the 1950s, while the latest anthropological studies conducted date back to the 1990s. The Biological Anthropology Research Group of the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona has now re-evaluated this data in a pioneering, comprehensive and multidisciplinary study of the site.
Aquesta recerca té diferents potes, diguéssim, perquè d'una banda tenim les restes, però aquestes restes s'han de contextualitzar i per tant s'ha hagut de fer tota una revisió del context arqueològic i això, com que són excavacions molt antigues, s'ha hagut de fer com una reexcavació a partir de la documentació. Després, doncs, ens hem plantejat com estudiem els esquelets i els hem estudiat amb les metodologies que avui podem aplicar i que segurament d'aquí uns anys potser seran més àmplies, però de moment hem fet un estudi clàssic morfològic, però amb mètodes nous. D'altra banda, s'ha fet un estudi histològic de les peces dentals i un estudi genètic. Què esperem trobar amb tot això? Doncs saber a quina edat es va morir aquesta criatura, de quin sexe era, si trobem alguna patologia o alguna anomalia que ens parli de què és el que li va passar i, en definitiva, poder tenir la informació de la vida d'aquest individu.
Researchers obtained the biological profile of all 15 infants found so far in Ullastret, one of them identified for the first time in this study. The research has made it possible to pass from theories to evidence and discard the ideas of infant sacrifice or infanticide as causes of death. A reinterpretation of the place in which they were buried was also conducted, leading researchers to conclude that the burials were a practice closely associated with family life, far from any altars or preeminent buildings.
Toda la revisión que hemos hecho, arqueológica y la documentación, más los análisis nuevos y las metodologías aplicadas, nos señalan que todos estos enterramientos fueron en espacios domésticos, tanto de trabajo como de almacenamiento de alimentos. Eran fosas simples que no tenían un ajuar asociado, aunque sí algunos tenían una fauna asociada. Y también nos señalan que el patrón de mortalidad se asocia con causas naturales de muerte y no hay una selección de sexo para todos estos enterramientos.
8 of the 15 infants were girls and 5 were boys, whereas the genetic analysis of the remaining 2 could not be conducted. Some of the infants died prematurely during the gestation period, but most were newborn infants and babies who lived for more than a month. 12 weeks was the longest any of the infants lived. This data indicates infant death patterns similar to those of developing countries. The study also enabled researchers to confirm that the Iberians reused these burial sites and knew of their existence even a century after they had been created. All of this points to the family ritual character of the burials and reveals a very intimate facet of the Iberian society, who, regardless of gender, wanted their infants to remain in the home. The remains of the infants were studied at the Biological Anthropology Lab of the UAB, where they also underwent a preservation treatment. The research forms part of a project that includes 6 more sites in Catalonia, which will allow scientists in the future to gain more insight on Iberian infants and their burials.